Hi guys! We are about to go to Bukatir in Jumeirah. It's my birthday celebration with my cousins. And what else? After this, we're gonna go to Ras Al Khaimah and we will bring you to Ras Al Khaimah.
Daming tao, ay dami. Daming tao. Meron na yan dyan. Daming tao ngayon. Shit. Punta tayo sa baba.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a fish. Dito na, dito yung masarap.
Sarap ba to? Bukatir. Jane, you want some fish? Okay.
Ano, day pasok ko. Feel na feel ang hi guys!
Saan kayo punta? Ito po yung kasama namin.
Tissue ba doon?
Likod.
Ayun yung tissue.
Dorel.
Jane! Yes!
Ang buhay.
Dali mo na yun dito.
Yeah. Kunin mo yung ano, shrimp.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Hi guys! Hindi pa naman eh. Hi guys! We're here in Bukatir. It's in Jumeirah. Show them. And this place is so jam-packed. Like, we've waited for how many minutes already? 30 minutes? More than 30 minutes? 1 hour na ba? 1 hour na pala. Okay naman. Dinig naman sa sa vlog ko. Ang pagpapanik. O paano? Uy, tayo din pala. Paano sila magkano? Wala, nagpanik na po kami kasi sa parking 1 hour lang. Sabi ko kasi 2 hours yan dapat eh, minimum. Wala. Okay, so nagpanik po siya kaya heto na, magbabayad na kami. 156 brother.
Okay.
2435 po.
Ayan na po. Dati pahirapan. Ay, nako yun. Dati guys, pahirapan yung ang tawag yan? Ano ba ang tawag yan?
Parking.
Pag-parking yung pagbayad kasi you have to go back to the anong tawag dun, mahal? Kailangan mag-back pa tayo doon. Basta yung sa bayaran doon, sa machine, kailangan pa namin bumalik para lang magbayad. But this time, we have an app. Again!
Zayn, who will go to Ras Al Khaimah today?
Oh my God! It's Tito Tag!
Louder! Who will go to Ras Al Khaimah?
Me!
Oh, it's Tito Tag!
I'm going to Ras Al Khaimah. I will go to Ras Al Khaimah.
What are you gonna eat tonight, Zayn?
Fish! I'm gonna eat fish.
No, it's me.
Ah,
Shark!
I don't like to eat shark today.
But you will eat shark!
turtle.
Oh my God, turtle! You're gonna eat turtle!
Octopus.
Uy, meron ako disposable na nasan yung plastic? Sa baka meron sila dito.
Oh, pagkakita mo.
Hindi tayong plastic.
Ano sabi mo na?
So, yum! It's so yum! Yogurt,
ba?
nasa yogurt nila dito. Kasi yung mga plates.
Ito yan, 6. Thank you, brother.
Brother, you have gloves. And also the yogurt, brother.
Yogurt, ha? Thank you, brother.
And
Ooh, the sauce. Sarsa. Thank you. Okay na, so.
yum! Super busog. Teka lang.
Sarap.
Before and after. Wala ko nakapag-story. We are so full. Daddy. Amir, is it yummy? Like, no? That's spicy, right?
Uh-huh.
Lot of people.
Tissue. Pwede na yan, ibaba mo na. So, tapos na kami. Jampak, ang daming tao.
O, dali, kayo dali na. Nakakaya magtatanong ka pa rin. Selfie na lang.
Selfie ka na lang.
Kayo yung camera yan.
Carla, akay tag.
Parang malabo. Dapat palikod. Lee! Dali na.
Ayan na.
Dada, thank you ah.
Yung lalaki parang hindi pa sa akin.
Okay, guys. Tapos na.
Yung mga order natin.
Diyan o, nakiali o.
Put your arm right there.
Hindi, nakalipat kami. Ito. Lumaki na yung sakyan natin.